What's the situation in Gaza? And one of the most important things we have to mention is the small idea. As you know, the value of Palestine, the value of Bilad al-Sham. So we have here a small design of and there is a small mistakes you have as a Muslims between around all Muslims, especially youth. Okay, the misunderstands between the Muslim and Aqsa. Exactly. There is some guys they are thinking that this is a Masjid al-Aqsa, or there are some guys they are thinking this is a Masjid al-Aqsa. In fact, this is not a Masjid al-Aqsa. This is a false information. This is incorrect. As we know, we have to know the Masjid al-Aqsa including the whole this area. When we talk about the Masjid al-Aqsa, it's 144,000 meters square. Imagine, it's a huge area. When we talk about the Masjid al-Aqsa, including this area, a small mistake, there is a huge number of Muslims they know. This is called al-Masjid al-Qibali, al-Qibla Mosque, because it's facing the direction of the direction of Al-Qibla, which is to the side of Al-Masjid. And here, as you know, guys, it's Masjid Qubbat al-Safa, the Rock of the Dome, which is when the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam he went to the sky during Al-Mi'raj. Above this, there is some rocks under it when it was built during and we just mentioned all information about the history, about the caves, about some more information about this family that are facing the Palestinians because of the occupation, about what's going on.